Hi, welcome to the Really Wild website. We're really excited with the new functions that we've added to it to help make our group leaders and teachers' lives so much easier. As a fellow teacher, I know that you'll want to keep paperwork to a minimum and just get on with enjoying the experience. So on the site we've got all about our various things that we offer: school camps, school survival academy and expeditions. Also a little bit about our method and the shop and the blog. We've got a couple of testimonials here from folks who've been on our experiences. Our YouTube channel, which has got lots and lots of different videos that you might like to have a look at to help you with kits and also to get a taste of some of the expeditions that we've run. There's news down here at the bottom. We're looking forward to featuring you on there soon. And also right down at the bottom we've got resources, which are absolutely key to running a safe and easy expedition. So we've got all of the various policies, especially the insurance, terms and conditions, a big brochure which you can share with your governors or parents and other teachers to showcase what we do. We'll happily send you one of those, paper copy if you would like one, and the website guide, step-by-step support, so if you are stuck then you can go onto that and have a look at each step as well as following through the video. So if we pop back to the top, you've got a login button right here, and that will take you to your account. So we've logged in here as the test teacher, and they're going on a lot of expeditions. The most important thing is the downloads over here, and in downloads you will find that for every single one of the expeditions that you are on, there is two folders. There's a student folder and a teacher information folder. Students will only have access to what's in this folder. It's there for your information so you can see what they can see. And your teacher information. This has got everything from the very beginning, from booking, and a general information leaflet which is nice and glossy to showcase what will be taking part. So this is the Gold Expedition, and it gives you the itinerary and some details of the activities. You've got participant forms and a summary sheet to record all of your participants, kit list, the all-important risk assessment, and a letter to parents which is open and editable, so you can use that if you would like, and then feedback on the evaluation form there. And you've got that for each and every one of your expeditions. If you want to get back to the top, you click the start button here. If you want to download, you hover over it. You can either preview it by just clicking it or go to this little arrow here and you can download it, and it will save it to your computer in the download file. Here you can see an example of one of those forms that you've downloaded. This is the Survival Academy booking form. Each document has got fields that you can start to type your information into, and then you can send those back to us. Each one is bespoke for each of the different types of things that you book, whether it's an expedition, survival academy, or a school camp. Here you can see the student logged in area. Then I've gone directly to downloads. Here you can see everything that they have in each of their student folders for each type of expedition, and they can download this in just the same way. So they can hover over it and then they can click the little arrow here and go to download to save them to their computer. You've got the participant form which they'll need to complete and send back, a kit list, a risk assessment which they need to share with their parents or carers, and also an additional code of conduct there for young people so they know how they are expected to behave on expedition. The next thing to take a look at is students. If you're on an expedition, you will likely want to add your students in. It's not entirely necessary for camps in the UK, but you may wish to add them if you've got a small group. You will have all of the courses. We will assign you all the courses that you are currently on, and you can see that the dates are there as well to help you pick and choose if you've got multiple ones going out. So you just choose which course you want to add your student to, add their name and their email. This can be a personal email, their parents' email, or a school generated email, and then you can add more students with this button. You can add up to 5 at a time, and then you click over here with the add students. They will show up here. Just give it a refresh and they will show up here with all of the courses that they are currently on, so you can keep track of which students are joining you on the expeditions. You can get back to your dashboard up the top here, and if you have any problems whatsoever, you can just email me at info@reallywild.education, or you can give me a buzz on 01273 978 177.